So in this section, we turn to a slightly different concept, and that's one that's called an annuity. Now, until now, we've been dealing with one-time investments. Put $10,000 in an account, let it sit for a period of time, and see what's there in the end. An annuity is a much more common way of investing. This is a fixed sum of money paid or invested over regular intervals. This is how a lot of people invest for their retirement. They put away $100 a month or $200 a month repeatedly, month after month. So to do calculations with this, it's a slightly different formula, a little bit more complex because we do have a more complex situation going on. S is the annuity value, so how much money is in the account. R is the regular payment amount, the monthly or weekly or however often the payment is being made. N, I'm going to skip over I for a second. N is the number of compounds per year. T is the number of years. And we don't deal with R as the interest rate, we deal with I. Again, an extra complexity because of the multiple times that money is put into these accounts. I has to be done as a side calculation before we jump to the main formula. I equals R over N. So here we have an 18-year-old, needs money for post-secondary education. On his 14th birthday, his family deposited $1,000 into an RESP, getting 3% interest compounded annually. And since then, he's deposited $1,000 of his own money into the account each year. So how much money is in the account? Well, what we know is that the regular payment amount is $1,000 per year. We know R, the interest rate, is 0.03 because it's 3%. We know N will be 1 since we are compounded annually. And T will be 4 years, from 14 to 18. How much money into the account? That is S. And as I've already said, we do need to do a side calculation. We need to calculate I, which is R over N. So in this case, 0.03 divided by 1, which would give us 0.03 to use in the equation. I'm going to go to a clean page to do that. The formula. While it may be a little more complex and take a couple more steps to do, the math that we're doing is nothing that we haven't already done. So substituting in what we know, S we don't, R is 1,000. In the brackets we have 1 plus 0.03 to the power of 1 times 4 minus 1, which is divided by 0.03. Going to work this out. Inside the round bracket we have 1.03. That is to the power of 4 now. Go and calculate out 1.03 to the power of 4. It is 1.12550881. That is still subtract 1, which is divided by 0.03. We can work out the square bracket here. That is going to be 0.12550881. And from now, we can take this, we can do one-stop shopping in the calculator, working it out, and again it's money, so we'll round it to 2 decimal places, $4,183.63.